In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Meta AI to Messenger. This is a handy feature if you're eager to explore the capabilities of artificial intelligence in your conversations, and it's a straightforward process that you can easily follow along with. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Messenger app. If you don't have it installed, make sure you download it from your App Store. Once you have it ready, launch the app and get to the main screen. Now, here's where things get exciting. Look towards the top of your screen. You should see a tab labeled Meta AI. Go ahead and tap on that. This feature is gradually rolling out, so don't worry if you're not seeing it right away. Give it some time as updates continue to reach new devices. If, for some reason, you still don't see the Meta AI tab, there's another way to start chatting with your new AI buddy. Simply tap the Start Chat button. Once you do this, you'll notice an option for AI chats. Tap on that and you'll be set to begin a new AI conversation. Here, you have the chance to create a custom AI tailored to your preferences. Think of it as having an AI friend at your fingertips, ready to assist with everyday inquiries or just to chat about topics that interest you. Now, a crucial part of this process is to ensure that your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. Features like Meta AI are typically rolled out in stages and might require the newest version of the app to be available for you. Checking for an update is simple. Head over to your device's App Store, find Messenger, and see if there's an update button available. By keeping your app updated, you ensure you're getting the latest features and enhancements. It's also important to note that if you're still not seeing this option after updating, it could be due to regional restrictions. Certain features roll out to specific regions first, so if Meta AI hasn't yet made its way to yours, rest assured it's on its way. Keeping your device's settings up to date could also play a role. Regularly checking for system updates can sometimes resolve these issues as well. As we wrap up, remember that exploring new features like Meta AI can really enhance your messaging experience. Embrace the opportunity to interact with AI in practical and novel ways. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on the latest tech features. Happy chatting with Meta AI!